Hello everyone, how are you? I do hope you're well. We are in the month of January. We are having really horrible weather, not as bad as my friends across the pond in the USA. Gosh, that is some cold weather and deep snow. Cold, icy weather and deep snow. I really do hope you're keeping safe. So I'm going to make a jade bracelet today. Quick catch up what I've been up to. So yes, it will be a chatty one. It will be a chatty one. I'll put a link, I'll put something in telling you to skip if you don't want to hear this part. January in general is very quiet for me, just like lots of other small businesses. You know, it's straight after Christmas, people don't have the money. But if you have placed an order on my website, thank you so much. I really do appreciate your orders. You are so kind. Are new to my channel, I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies. Everything will be linked down below for you. In the background, I've been, I've done a video saying I want to do junk journaling, and that's what I've been doing underneath, and that's what I've been doing when I get some spare time. I know some of you have joined me because of junk journaling and not jewelry, and I've been watching so many videos. I have bought so many. You know, I think this should be a separate video, and then if people want to watch it, they can. If they don't, that's fine. No, that's fine. I've been watching videos on junk journaling. I know what my vibe is, I know what I like, I know what look I want to go for. I've been playing around. Just things I've been working on. Some things I don't want to show because they've gone completely wrong. So when I first did my junk journaling, I shared this one, didn't I, of the cover I did. I sent my mum on a mission to give her something to do. Now, she's a widow, she lives on her own, and she goes out to the shops every day. She goes out because she loves to chat. I don't know where I get it from. And she goes around like different she'll go to different supermarkets and the charity shops, and she's got lots of charity shops where she lives. They all know her by name. She goes in for a chat. But she does buy things as well. I always joke and say she's spent in my inheritance, but honestly, it's, you know, it's, I do not care. Honestly, I do not care. She feeds, or well, it just depends. She feeds about 10 foxes every night. It depends. That's pretty expensive. She feeds all the birds countless times a day. She buys lots of kitchen gadgets, and then she never uses them. And then she's like, do you want this? Do you want this? No, I do not need no more kitchen gadgets, Mum. And they end up going back to the charity shops, and then she remembers where she bought them from, so she takes them back to a different charity shop. But it keeps her going. So I showed her what I wanted. So I sent her out on a mission, and she came back with lots of books, lace, fabric. Amazing. I've had to tell her to not buy any more. I've had to tell her to not buy any more. It's just me practicing now. And like, I was here last night, I'll just show you this. I was here last night and just playing about the gardening year, and it's very much touchy-feely. It's a very much touchy-feely one. So I was experimenting with like layers and just adding different shapes, and so I just been like playing around. I was watching videos on labels. So this was my first label that I made from, this was something we had for tea. It's got some lace. It's not great. It's my first attempt. And then this was my second attempt. See, so we've got the button, and we've got these, and these actually pull out little bits of paper. These like little bits of paper, they pull out. There's a pocket for those to go into. Oh gosh, you should see my craft table. Oh, my craft table. And then I've just been, and then I had these little labels, and I was like, these little labels, and I was like making things up, and like things like with, they've got like the cats and hearts, and just playing around and spending far too much money, but having lots of fun in doing it, and that's what counts. Jewelry wise, there's been lots of new stock. You watch the watch YouTube, Facebook videos, you'll see these. For these, then people make bracelets using them. Ever so, they're so pretty, aren't they? They're so pretty and they're so cheap. So I'm actually going to be using this one in my tutorial, but there's lots of different shapes. We've got a teddy bear, very cute. And then we have this shape, hexagon. Then we've got this shape. And they do cat ones. I can't believe I missed the cat one. So do let me know how you all are in the comments below. For doing this video, it's obviously quicker for me. I know I've got emails that haven't been replied to. It's just really, really busy. Tomorrow I have a plumber come in. I had a plumber last week. There's just it's just really busy time of year. But do let me know how you all are, what projects you're working on. Are there some new things like me with my journaling? Is there some new things you're trying or want to try? Have you found some great tips, some money saving tips? I was up to 1:30 last night watching the videos were in America, and it's people that go out buying the reduced labelled food, like over in the UK we call it yellow sticker food, and the meals they make. I was up to 1:30 watching because I never know what to do. I never know what to cook. It's like the same old thing all the time. I don't like lots of spices, so that's where. So I am going to go. I've kept you enough. I've bored you enough already. Take care, my friends. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Take care, everyone.